Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your health tracking with Fitbit detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your health tracking with Fitbit, start by ensuring your device is charged. Open the Fitbit app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app yet, download it from your device's app store. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Now, sync your Fitbit device with the app by tapping on the device icon. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone to ensure a seamless connection. Once synced, navigate to the Discover tab within the app. Explore the various health and fitness features available. Take note of the health metrics you want to focus on, such as heart rate, sleep, or steps. Customize your dashboard by selecting the metrics you find most relevant. Consider upgrading to a premium subscription for personalized insights. Access the health metrics feature in the app to track your progress. Set specific goals for your health journey, like weight loss or increased activity levels. Utilize the challenges feature to motivate yourself and engage with friends. Incorporate the sleep tracking feature to improve your rest quality. Review your heart rate trends to understand your fitness levels better. Adjust your daily steps goal based on your lifestyle and activity levels. Utilize the calorie tracking feature to monitor your nutrition. Sync your Fitbit with other health apps for a comprehensive view of your well-being. Regularly check your progress within the app to stay motivated. Make adjustments to your routine based on the data you gather. Explore community forums within the app for additional tips and support. Take advantage of guided breathing sessions for stress management. Continuously update your device to ensure you have the latest features. By following these steps, you can maximize your health tracking capabilities with Fitbit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.